Hi there everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we're diving into a topic that's crucial for every website owner and enthusiast. We're talking about website redesign, when and how to update your site. So whether you're a business owner, a blogger, or just someone who loves to keep things fresh in the digital world, this video will guide you through the ins and outs of making your website shine brighter than ever. So grab your notepads and let's embark on this journey of transformation and innovation. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. So let's jump right in. So what is actually meant by website redesign? Website redesign refers to the process of making significant changes and updates to the visual appearance, user interface, user experience, and sometimes the underlying structure and functionality of your website. And the goal for a website redesign is to improve various aspects of the website's performance, aesthetics, usability, and relevance. There's a lot of things that website redesign can help change, and it can encompass a wide range of changes, including visual elements. So essentially visual elements like the color scheme, so essentially like updating the color palette to give the website a fresh and modern look. You can also update typography, so you can change fonts to improve readability or match the brand's tone. Replace any outdated or low quality images with high resolution visuals. And even redesigning icons and buttons to make them more intuitive and engaging can have a really good effect on your website redesign. And you can also adjust the layout for a more cleaner, organized appearance. You can also make changes to help the UX of your website. That includes navigation, so you can reorganize menus and structure and navigation elements for improved user flow. Streamline the user journey to guide visitors towards desired actions. When it comes to mobile responsiveness, you can ensure the website is fully functional and visually appealing on mobile devices. And you can add interactive features like sliders, accordions, and animations to engage your users. So next up is content updates. So this is things like text. So you can revise and update content to ensure accuracy, relevance, and readability. It could even be blogs and news sections, so you can add new articles or update existing ones to provide a fresh and viable information. And you can also make updates to like product or service descriptions, pricing, and availability. Not only will all of this help your overall UX and your website design, it'll also have a good impact on your SEO as well. Speaking of SEO optimizations, other things that you can do to make the redesign of your website successful is add more keywords to your site. So update content with relevant keywords for improved SEO visibility. You can optimize meta titles and descriptions for better click-through rates, and implement structured data as well, and data markup to enhance search engine results. It can also include some functionality improvements, so things like your forms on your website, if you have them, optimizing your forms for ease of use and more lead generation. You can implement an improved search feature for better user experience. You can enhance the shopping experience with smoother checkout processes or product recommendations, and even improve user account features like order history and saved preferences. All of that will have a really good impact on your UX of the website. And lastly, you have performance optimization, which you can also make as part of your website redesign, but includes things like loading speed, so optimizing your images and optimizing your code to reduce your loading times. You can implement caching mechanisms to improve website performance, and even like CDN integration, so you can use content delivery networks to distribute content efficiently. Your specific changes that you make will depend on your website's goals, target audience, industry, and the issues that you're looking to address through the redesign. It's important to carefully plan and prioritize changes to ensure a smooth and successful redesign process. So how often should you actually implement a redesign? The frequency of redesigns can vary significantly depending on several factors, including the nature of your business, industry trends, technological advancements, and your own specific goals. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, but here are some considerations to help you determine how often you might need to do a website redesign. So the first one mentioned is industry and trends. So if your industry is fast-paced and experiences frequent design or technology shifts, you might want to update your website more often to stay competitive and relevant. Advances in web technologies can lead to changes in user expectations and browsing behaviors, so redesigning to take advantage of these advancements can enhance your user experience. If your business goals evolve or change significantly, your website may need to be redesigned to reflect these new objectives. Design trends can change over time, and an outdated website can give a really poor impression to your visitors. If your website starts to look outdated compared to your competitors, it might be time for a redesign. Regularly monitor user feedback and analytics to identify any usability problems. If users are struggling to navigate your site or accomplish tasks, a redesign might be necessary. And if your content becomes outdated or no longer aligns with your brand or goals, a redesign can provide this opportunity to refresh your content as well. And as the variety of devices and screen sizes continue to expand, ensuring your website is responsive and mobile friendly might necessitate periodic updates as well. SEO, so this is really important. So Google's algorithms and SEO best practices do evolve, and redesigning your website to comply with the latest SEO guidelines can help maintain or even improve your search engine rankings. And lastly, user feedback. So listen to your users' feedback. If they're requesting features or improvements that would significantly enhance their experience, a redesign might be warranted. So given these factors and using them as a general guideline, it might be good to consider a major website redesign every 2 to 5 years. However, smaller updates and iterative improvements can and should be made more frequently. It's really crucial to monitor your website's performance, keep an eye on industry trends, and be attentive to user feedback to determine the optimal time for a redesign. Instead of sticking to a strict timeline, focus on the redesign when the benefits clearly outweigh the costs and potential disruption. So let's talk about the role of analytics and how you can use it to decide when it's a good time for a website redesign. So monitoring your website is really crucial to determine whether it's time for redesign or not. So you want to regularly assess your website, and this will help you identify issues and track your performance and stay aligned with your goals. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to effectively monitor your website for redesign considerations. First thing that you want to do is analyze your traffic and analytics. So regularly review website analytics, and you want to use tools like Google Analytics. Look for trends in traffic, bounce rates, and session durations. A sudden drop in traffic or engagement might indicate user dissatisfaction or issues that need addressing. So take into account your user feedback. So pay attention to comments, inquiries, any kind of user feedback, and listen to both the positive and the negative comments about usability, design, and functionality. If you can, conduct user surveys to gather insights directly from your audience. So monitor your conversion rates. So conversion rates are essentially really important, and you want to make sure you want to monitor them for key actions on your website like signups, purchases, or inquiries. If conversion rates are dropping, it might indicate that the user experience or functionality needs some improvement. Check how your website performs on various devices, especially on mobile. Mobile responsiveness is so crucial, as poor mobile experience leads to a high bounce rates. More and more people are coming onto websites using their mobile devices, so now it's really important that your website is optimized for mobile as much as possible. Regularly test your website's loading speed using tools like Google PageSpeed, Insights, or GTmetrix. Slow loading times can frustrate users and impact your SEO rankings. Keep an eye out for current design trends and compare them to your website's design. Any outdated design elements can negatively impact user perception. And analyze competitor websites in your industry. If their websites are more modern and user-friendly, it might be time for a redesign to stay competitive. Review your content to ensure it's still relevant and aligned with your business goals. Any outdated content or irrelevant content can deter visitors from engaging with your site. And monitor your technology stack and plugins powering your website. So any outdated or unsupported components can lead to serious security vulnerabilities and performance issues. And lastly, search engine performance. So you want to regularly check your website search engine rankings for key keywords. If you're consistently losing rankings, a redesign that focuses on SEO optimization might be necessary. To understand user behavior, things like heat maps can be a really good way to identify how users are interacting with your websites, and identifies also areas of friction and areas where users might be dropping off from your website. Remember that website redesigns can be really resource intensive, so it's important to strike a balance between regular updates and major overhauls, and continuous monitoring will help you identify when incremental improvements are needed versus when a comprehensive redesign is needed. So can a website agency help with your redesign? And absolutely yes. So a website agency can be a valuable partner in helping you interact and redesign your website. Website development agencies like ProfileTree are experts in creating and enhancing websites, and we have the skills and experience to guide you through every step of the redesign process. So there's different ways a website agency can help you with your website redesign. The first one is expertise. So development agencies have a team of professionals with diverse skills, including web designer, web developers, UI experts, and digital marketers as well. And they can help you create a comprehensive strategy that aligns with your business goals and target audience as well. Web developers and web development agencies like ProfileTree have a specialize in creating visually appealing and user-friendly interfaces as well. We can design modern and attractive layouts that can cater to your target's preferences and expectations as well. And we can also ensure that your website is responsive and functions well on various devices, which is a really crucial part. A web development agency can implement responsive design principles to provide an optimal experience on desktops, smartphones, and tablets as well. When you are selecting a website agency to go for, you also want to make sure you pick one that has experience in SEO as well. So a lot of agencies like us have SEO specialists who can optimize your website structure, content, and code for better SEO visibility. And after the redesign, agencies can offer ongoing support, maintenance, and updates to keep your website running smoothly and up to date. When selecting a website development agency, be sure to research their portfolio. So usually a good website agency will have a portfolio or like a showcase where you can see past projects and you can see past website projects, and you can get an idea of the services that they deliver and the quality of the service that they deliver. Communication and collaboration between you and the agency are key to a successful website redesign. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey of website redesign. If you're feeling inspired to give your website a fresh new look and enhanced functionality, our expert team at ProfileTree is here to make it happen. Don't hesitate to reach out for a consultation tailored to your unique needs. Just go into profiletree.com and make an inquiry today. Also, don't forget to hit that like button if you find this video helpful, and if you're hungry for more tips on web design, digital marketing, and tech trends, remember to subscribe to our channel and stay updated with the latest insights and tutorials to help elevate your online presence. Until next time, happy redesigning.